Hello folks, Dave Scholke here with the Twin Home Experts. Wanted to take a moment and kind of give you an complete visual of Poria Incrassata. It's a fungus that actually grows typically from the outside in through footings or any moisture source. Loves wood. In fact, it loves wood so much that it'll actually decay your entire home. So I wanted to give you this visual and show you kind of what the destruction and the decay it does to your home. All right, folks. What you're looking at right now is Poria Incrassata. This is a house-eating fungus. And one of the myths is the Poria growing on wet wood. And there's been a lot of studies in a lot of different cases proving that if you do have a water leak and the wood is getting wet, Poria will not grow on that moisture content. It steers away and goes to more of the dry wood. In this particular case, you could see that the Poria has grown. We found the rhizomorph right here, and it's actually growing through this wood structure with water coming through the footing and then growing up inside this wall here. I mean, it's just eats it up. So folks, it's very, very, very important to do a home inspection. Check your wood, check your footings. Because look at the destruction that Poria Incrassata can do to your home. Typically, Poria Incrassata is generally comes from infected plants. So if you're planting plants alongside your foundation or your exterior of your home, you got to be very, very careful, because that can be the start of Poria eventually coming into your home structure. So if you're going to plant any type of plant life along your home, you got to make sure that there is no breaches. It's away from wood because it attacks wood. But those are the main causes of Poria getting into your home. Plenty of studies out there that have proved that it's coming from that infected plant life along your home. Anyhow, folks, hopefully this helped give you some visual aspects of what could happen to your home. It's very, very important to do home inspections, crawl underneath your house. Do that at least every year, just to keep an eye out on any type of destruction to your home. Save you thousands of dollars. Well, folks, hopefully this helped. As always, thanks for watching.